I'm Emily C. Bunrang, and this is my Costco market haul. So I like going to Costco because I like buying in bulk, I save a lot of money, and they actually have a lot of great products you can find there. Keeping nutrient-dense foods in mind, this is what I got. A lot of Ghee. I love this brand. It's really tasty. It has this nutty flavor. Cody likes to put it in his coffee. I like cooking with it. I also got 2 packs of sardines. These are great. They have a lot of health benefits to them. We've got some grass-fed Polish sausage. I like these. They taste really good. It's great for breakfast. It's a really quick meal you can make. This is my favorite cheese, Kerrygold. It has a nice bite to it. I really like making sardine melts with it. This is something new that I found at Costco. They're beef sticks. I definitely wanted to try it. So this is a great snack to have. And I found wild-caught shrimp at Costco. I really like to grill these and make like a Thai seafood dipping sauce with them. It's really tasty. And of course, a nice big bucket of coconut oil. I do cook with this. I fry my foods in this, and I also use it as body lotion. So might as well buy it in bulk. And I hate getting lotion that's like a pump, right? And then you can't get it all out, and then you end up cutting it, and then, yeah, you can't get all of it out. So I like buckets of anything. And of course, for some snacks, this is a great brand. These are fried pork rinds. They don't fry their pork rinds in any kind of vegetable oil. It's fried in rendered pork fat, of course. You're gonna fry fried pork rinds in pork fat. And it has a little bit of sugar, but they're using coconut palm sugar here. So this is really tasty. I really want to support brands that don't use any vegetable oil. So this is one of the few, probably only snacks you'll find at Costco that uses pork fat. I did get some celery because I always like having it in the fridge to have a little bit of a crunch with my tuna salad or sardine salad, and it lasts forever in the fridge. This might seem like a lot, but celery never really goes bad. And then we've got some little potatoes and sweet potato, just because they last a while, and I like making some meals with a little bit of potatoes. So there you have it. This is my Costco market food haul. And yeah, I just wanted to show you what I get. You can definitely find a lot of great products there and save money. So if you have any questions or comments, please fill out the comment section below, and I'm off to make my next video.